Today, we're making one of the greatest inventions ever made. A fishing pole holder, and it's gonna go right back up there. And it's gonna hold all my fishing poles, except for the ones that it doesn't. And then there's this dude. What are you doing in there, dude? There's only one tool that you'll ever truly need. Your hands. And if you don't have hands, then you need tools. Tools like this. The Milwaukee. Something with a thing on it. I don't know what these are, but they're absolutely necessary to get this job done if you don't have hands. These are the ingredients you're going to need for this. You need 2 pieces of wood. Hopefully the dude, get your you're so in the way right now. You need a baby, a toddler to change. No. You need 4 construction screws, 2.5 screws, 2.5 inches. You need rum and coke. If you don't have these, you're gonna fail. I'm sorry, that was a little harsh. I shouldn't have said that. You're not gonna fail. These are all the ingredients you'll ever need to build a fishing pole holder. You need rum and coke. You need 4 construction screws and or more construction screws. This flavor. If you don't use this flavor, you're weak. You need a measuring tape. You need a pencil to measure things. You need 2 pieces of wood and a drill thing. That's it, I think. You probably need more than that, but that's all I can think of right now. The first and most important rule that you should know about measuring is that it's all just an estimate. If you get it right, that's fantastic. If you don't, there's an Ace Hardware and or Home Depot right around the corner. No. No, buddy, did you just push the button? No, we're still, okay, actually, let's run it. What I'm doing is marking off every 4 inches. Our piece of wood is roughly 44 inches. We need to make sure that we have some spacing out 12 inches each. So marking it off 4 inches at a time is going to be absolutely perfect for us. So 4 inches, 8 inches, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, I can count, I promise, and 40. All right, so now that it's marked off in 4-inch increments, I have a 2-inch bit on here. So each one of these is going to be 2 inches. It's going to leave me 2 inches in between. All right, 35 to 33. Heck, I probably even could have done it a little bit more than that, but I want a little bit more girth to this, and it's not super important to me that there's a lot of space in between them. Or maybe it is. I don't know. I can't count. Okay. Now this particular board is about 3.5 inches wide. So what I'm going to do is mark it off at 1 3/4, which is roughly halfway. I'm measuring, buddy. We're doing man stuff right now. 1 3/4, 1 3/4, and I'm doing this at each one of the marks that I just made. Now, I'm no carpenter. I don't care if this is perfect. It just needs to be right about where it needs to be. I don't need to hold that, buddy. You can put that down if you don't want to hurt yourself, or okay, you can hold it because you're a man. Do whatever you need to do, buddy. This is America. This is your land, your freedom. Boom. All right. So now we're marked off. We're just gonna do this in one take. You gotta watch out, pup. All right. All right. So line up. Make sure your little wigglers are out of the way. Jack, you need to move back. Okay. Scooch. Scooch that way. All right. That is not working because I have my something set. It's not on drill.
What happened?
What?
Whoopsie. What happened, Daddy?
get this one piece out of here. Oops, I'm dumb. No, you're in the way, buddy. Scooch. Hey, Scooch. Go on over there. Alright, we have got one hole through. Success. It took a little bit more than I was hoping for, but we're going to go through and do the rest of these real quick. It's going to be great. When the natives of this land would cut themselves while woodworking, they would take the sawdust from their product and put it on their wounds to help it heal. Using the thingy to drill holes in these things leaves them all nasty looking. And you don't want that. So you got to use something like this to get rid of those edges. Smoothish. I don't have a battery in here. Pause. Sometimes in your life, you might think, man, I've got a great idea. Well, you're probably wrong, but I'm not. Sometimes you may or may not want to do it the right way. Sometimes the right way is the hard way. When you can, never pick the hard way. Remember, all you need are your hands, but expensive tools definitely help. I didn't make the holes big enough because I'm stupid. Perfect. And here we have the fruits of my labor. After many, many hours of hard work with nothing but my bare hands, some whiskey, and some Coca-Cola, I've created the ultimate in fishing pole accessories. You too can make this, unless you suck. Then maybe you can make something else. I don't know.